VPNs are largely divided into two types, Internet VPNs and IP VPNs. First, Internet VPNs. Internet VPN is a method of establishing a virtual communication tunnel over a regular internet connection. While utilizing the standard internet infrastructure, it employs mechanisms like tunneling and encapsulation to create a closed network path, enabling secure communication. Shown on the screen is a generalized diagram of how Internet VPN works. Here are Internet VPN's three main points. First, Internet VPN is a secure virtual private network that encrypts and transmits data over an IP network, i.e., the Internet. Second, Internet VPN ensures data security and privacy by utilizing tunneling, data encapsulation, and encryption. And third, Internet VPN is used in various network scenarios such as remote access and site-to-site connections, providing a secure communication environment. Now, for IP VPN. IP VPN refers to a VPN that, unlike Internet VPN, where data travels through shared internet connections, IP VPN operates over a dedicated backbone network accessible only to contracted users and the communication service provider. This ensures not only the non-interference of bandwidth by others but also enables more secure communication. Shown in the screen is a generalized diagram of how IP VPN works. As you can see, unlike Internet VPN, IP VPN goes through a dedicated network line instead of the Internet, thus providing better security and privacy. Here are IP VPN's three main points. First, IP VPN ensures security by encrypting data and transmitting it while utilizing the public network infrastructure of the Internet. Second, IP VPN achieves more stable communication than Internet VPN by ensuring dedicated bandwidth for VPN communication. Third, by using IP VPN, geographically dispersed locations and remote users can connect to the same network and securely exchange data.